Orlando Prepper here, and today's episode we're going to cover the first part of the EDC bag, which is what I spoke about the last time, my electronics and backup batteries. So today we're going to make it sweet. It's going to be fun. You're going to get specifics on each part of it and estimated prices, because it's been a while that I had these, so the prices can have, just like the market, everything changes. Goes up, goes down, okay? So, like right now, gas in Orlando, $2.52. Whoa. And some places, $2.30. I don't know. It's like that. So, just give me a minute, and I'll just bring some of the stuff out so you can check it out, all right? Thanks. This is my Uniden backup battery stick. It has a capacity of 2600 milliamps, an input of 5 volts, 500 milliamps, which means for it to charge. For the output, that means charging my cell phone, the output is 5 volts, 800 milliamps. And it weighs just a few ounces. If I remember correctly, it's about 4 to 5 ounces. It measures 3.5 inches and about 3/4 of an inch. So when you charge it, I actually dropped it. This is real world stuff. I dropped it and a piece of the plastic chipped off, but it still works. It works great. It charges my phone. Right there is where you charge the battery, but when you go to charge your phone, you actually plug into the large USB. That USB just charges your phone in I say about an hour and a half, and your phone fully charged. And it has enough to fully charge your phone 1.5 times. I have an LG Volt, and it charges my phone one full charge, the whole battery charged up, and if I need to charge it again, it'll charge it up to 50%. And then to charge it, it takes about 4 hours to charge it. And that's it for this one. Now, this is my other battery backup stick. This one's you can barely see it on the bag, but it's Mota, M-O-T-A. Don't know where it's at. I'm not sure where they make it, where the company's from, because I didn't research it, to be honest with you. The only thing I know is it works awesome. I got this one in silver. It comes with this micro USB cord, and it comes with this cord to charge other devices, not just a cell phone. So it can charge a tablet. There's an additional micro USB. Maybe somebody else, you want to lend it to them. And it has 3 other adapters. There's a mini. This one I'm not sure. So if you're familiar with this adapter, this part of it, leave me a comment below, because I'm not sure what this belongs to. I'm trying to figure that out. But there's the one for the iPods or the old iPhones. Oh, and here's my Lightning one for the Lightning phones. And it actually works pretty simple. You just take it, plug it in, that's it, and it's done. Now, the Mota is also 2600 milliamps for the capacity. For the input is 5 volts, 8 amps, and for output is 5 volts, 1 amp. On the end here, if you press this small button, if you see it right there, that small button, it's pretty much set up like my Uniden over here. You see? The only thing is, it has a little button. The button is so you can press it, and it'll have a blue small LED light in there that indicates you can charge your device. Then if you press and hold it, I'm just going to put it on my hand so you can see, but it has a flashlight on the end of it, and that is, I believe, 11 to 13 lumens, and it works, and it works like it's supposed to work, which is great. And then to turn it off, you just press and hold, and it's off. So there's that one. And the next one is, I'm going to put all this stuff away and get it out of the way real quick. Oh, I did forget something. The measurements is exactly 4 inches. And I'm pretty sure it's 3/4. So, hold it there. A little over 3/4. 3/4 is like 5/8. Weighs nothing, to be honest with you. The next one is my solar battery charger. Okay, this one's by, it's called Solar Restore by Revive. There's a small solar panel on it. I also have another one. It's in my truck. It's suction cup to the windshield. It's actually another adapter that goes to this, and it plugs in right there in the in. Let me flip it around so you can see it. In the in right here. The LED light is off now, but it is charging. If I turn it the other way, where the sun, right now I'm sitting east, the sun's setting to the west that way. So I'm going to flip it around so you can see. But real quick, there's an LED switch. You can actually push it all the way over, and there's an LED light. See? You put it on the on position, it turns blue, then you can charge whatever device you need to charge, be it a tablet or a cell phone. You just turn it off, that's for charging. Same pretty much concept, out to charge your device, in to charge this. You can do it from home as well. It doesn't have to be just solar powered. The solar power part is if you're out in the bush and or in an urban area that, you know, the power grid is down, you have this at least to back you up. Now I'm going to turn it this way, and I'm not sure, but hopefully my partner here is giving me the thumbs up saying that yes, you can see the red light. That's awesome. So you see that it's charging. Now in the back there's actually a check button here. I'm trying to see if I can do this so you can see it, but if you press it, it should light up all 4 at 100%. So it indicates 100, 80, 50, and 20%. Now if this was totally dead, with just this solar panel, it will charge the battery up to 50%. The other panel that I have suction cup to my windshield, that one will take it to the full 100%. Now, as you can see here, it tells you charging sources, time, and power. AC 3 hours at 100, USB 5 hours at 100, solar, which is this panel, 6 hours 50%. This ran for about, if I remember correctly, I got this on Amazon for $20. The second panel was $6.50. You got it as a deal. This came out to $20, and I got this. Actually, I got this on Groupon. This I got at Big Lots. Sorry, they don't have it anymore. Last, I carry, of course, AA batteries. Why? Because earlier I showed you on my personal EDC, what I carry in my pockets. I have a battery. I have a flashlight that takes AA batteries. So in my pack, I carry 4. And they don't need to be name brand, but Kirkland, which is a Costco brand, works fine. Works like any other battery. I don't see a difference between them or Duracell or Energizer. The only difference I do see is I save money because they're usually $5 cheaper than the other brands, name brands. It's like anything else. You buy name brand, you're paying for the name, you're not paying for the product. So this one, I'd rather pay for the product than the name. Simple as that. So this is Orlando Prepper. Thanks a lot. Everything here, measurements, sorry. About 4.5 inches, about 2.5 inches, and let's just call it 1/2 inch thick. So weighs hardly anything. This weighs heavier than this, to be honest with you. But either way, I need it all because I have all this stuff. But eventually I'm going to go to a USB powered flashlight that I found online. And when I do eventually get that one, I'm going to show it to you guys. Alright, this is Orlando Prepper. Talk to you in a few. Okay, so we just finished talking about the items that I just showed you. So If you have any questions, any comments, please, just so we can work together, comment below. Subscribe, all right, to OrlandoPrepper.com. This is how we learn from each other. So just Orlando Prepper out. Thanks a lot, guys. See you soon.